Good morning, students. In class 9 and 8, I taught you in data handling, I taught you mean and range. So, in this class, in class 9, I am going to teach what is mode and median. So, in data handling, mean, range, mode, median are very important. Okay. So, what is mode? The given data. Data means I taught you what is the data. Data means collection of numbers. A set of numbers they will give. You have to order and write. That is called a data. Okay, collection of numbers. In this collection of numbers, which numbers are repeated more times? See here, 1 came 1, 2, 3 times, and 2 came only 2 times. So which number is repeated more? 1 is repeated more. So what is your mode? Your mode is 1. And what is the median? Median means nothing but a middle number. So to find out the median, the given data first you have to arrange in the ascending order or otherwise in the descending order. First you have to arrange it and afterwards only you should find out your median. Without arranging, if you find your median, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so see here example I have given. What is the median? Median is nothing but in the given data, middle number is which one? That is called a median. Okay, for example, I have wrote some numbers here. This is already in the ascending order, so it will be easy for you to find out the median directly. So which number is staying in middle? Lies in middle? 4. Number 4 is lies in middle for this collection of data. So the median is 4. In exercise 3.2, the first question is the score in the mathematics test out of 25 or 15 students marks they have given here. Okay. So you have to in that marks you have to find the median and mode. First I wrote the marks here. So after this marks you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order also you can arrange, otherwise you can arrange in the descending order also. So I arranged here in the ascending order and afterwards, so what I said for the median, the middle, the given data, these are called the data because this is the collection of numbers, isn't it? So in this data, which one is the middle number you have to check. 15 children know, so it will be easy for you to find out the middle number. So which one is the middle number? 20 is the middle number. So what is your median? 20. And what is the mode? What is the mode I said? Which number is repeated more time you have to check that. Okay. So in this if you check, 20 has repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, 25 has repeated only 2 times. But the 20 has repeated 4 times. So which one is your mode? 20 is your mode. Okay. So next the third question. Third question is what? The weight of 15 students of a class or they have given this one. See, if you are arranging in the ascending order, first you wrote one number, no? So first 32 you wrote. And afterwards put the take a pencil and put the tick mark on the top of it. Then only you know all the numbers you have written in the ascending order or what. Otherwise you will get confused. Okay. 32 I written here, so I put the tick mark here, and afterwards 35 I have written, so I put the tick mark. So like that, if you put the tick mark in pencil, don't use your pencil to putting the tick mark on top of the number. Okay. And ascending order, after writing the ascending order, 15 students know, this is also will be easy for you to find out the median. The middle number is which one? 40. 40 is your median. Okay. Now we'll find the mode. Mode, if you see, check 38 has repeated 3 times and any other number has repeated 3 times. Yeah, 43 also repeated 3 times. What is the question? First question, find the mode and the median. Your median is 40 and your mode is 2 numbers will come. Because why 2 numbers? Because 43 also repeated 3 times and 38 also repeated 3 times. So what is your mode? 38 and 43 is your 2 numbers as well. What is the second question? This is the first question. What is the second question answer? Is there more than one mode? Mode has more than one 2 they are asking. Yes, this is the two numbers are, you have find out the mode, no? So what is the this one? Yes. What is the answer? Yes. Mode is more than 1. Yes, your mode is more than 1 number. The fifth sum is tell whether the statements are true or statement is true or false. See the first question. The mode is always one of the number in a data. The given data, some given data, 4, 5, 4, 5. In the given data, how we are finding the mode? Mode we are taking any other number out of this number. No, we are writing in the on the given data only. You are writing your answer. Mode is this one. So this is the first one is true. Yeah, the given data, from the given data only you are finding the mode. So this is the true. And the next one is the mean is one of the number in a data. No, it's wrong. False. Why? The mean how you are finding? You will add all these numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 4 you will put. You will add all this number, and if you divide by this one, you won't get the same, the given data number you won't get in the answer. You will get the another answer. So the second one is false. The mean is one of the, not a, one of the given number in the data. Okay. So the third one is the median is always one of the number in a data. Median is one of the number. Yes. Median, how we are finding? Suppose this one. So how we are writing the median? From this number only you are taking the given data. These are called the data also. In the given data only you are finding the median. Median is what in this? Median is, your median is 4 in this. So in the given data only you are finding the median. So this is the second one is false and third one is true. And what about the fourth one? The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9 has mean 9. So we have to find the mean. First we should, how we find the mean? We have to add all this number. 6. First we will arrange for mean or median or mode. First you arrange in the ascending order. Okay, arrange in ascending order. We will write it separately here. So the given data, first I said you have to arrange in the ascending order. So first I arranged in the ascending order. So that ascending order I added all the numbers. Mean how you find out the given data? First you have to sum of the given data divided by how many numbers are there. That much you should write down. Okay. So number of observation. Number of observation is not a counting number. See here 1, 2. How many numbers are there? That much number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. That 8 you will put as a denominator. So all the numbers you have added. If you add all the numbers, you are getting the answer 64. So 64 divided by 8 is how much? 8. But what answer they have given? Has mean 9. No, your answer is coming 8. So here the answer they have given 9. So it's a false. In today's assignment exercise 3.2, first sum, third sum and fifth sum I done. And fourth, second and fourth sum is homework for you. You have to do it in the homework notebook. Second sum and fourth sum you have to do it in the homework notebook. Whatever I taught today, that you have to copy in the classwork. Thank you children. Have a nice day.